YouTube, back with another video. This one's gonna be short. It's just a little update video about my life. So I won't be posting anything for a couple days just because I got a new job recently. I'm gonna be doing some applications engineering for this company, so I won't really have too much time to be posting and making videos. So for like the 3 of you that actually do watch my videos and are subscribed to me, yeah, if you're wondering how come I haven't posted anything, that's why. I might post this tonight, but there's a fairly good chance I won't, just because today's my birthday. So I will be out with some friends tonight, and I really don't know what time I'm getting back home. So yeah, and if this camera angle looks weird, that's because I'm holding the camera in my hand. I didn't really feel like setting up the camera and everything like I usually have it set up, just because this was going to be a quick video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. My name's Justin. I really appreciate everyone that watches the videos and everything, and the usual spiel: just like, subscribe, comment, tell all your friends, enemies, whoever you want to tell about the videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. That was a fucked up ass lane turn, but okay. Peace.